Hey guys, I'm Megan of Mom with Megan and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you're here. Today's video is an unboxing for a bag I purchased from Wallace that's a limited edition, and to be totally honest, I'm not 100% sure I am like cool enough to pull this bag off. It is like a sling crossbody oversized fanny pack style bag. But I have 3 little kids and I thought, what the heck, I'll try to pull off like the cool mom vibe and see if it works out. If not, I mean, I'll sell it and it's not a big deal, but I thought it would be fun to take a look at. I don't know, I was watching other people order it and I was like, okay, I guess I will join the party too. So here we go, it's in its little dust bag. I love that they have these little cloud dust bags and it's super cute. The price point on this bag with tax and everything came to like 300-ish, so it's pretty expensive for a crossbody bag. Like, this is not a leather purse or something like that. But here it is in the packaging. I really do like the color. This is tin, but people were saying on the Facebook group that it is a slightly different version of tin than the original, that it's supposed to be like less shiny and more hardy. Oh, interesting. Okay, so I have felt like the metallic Wallace bags before, and this doesn't really feel like that. This feels like barely like their Metro bags. Like, it is soft, but it isn't like shiny, like luminescent, but it is not in any way shiny, but it's definitely not matte either. It has a zipper here on the front here with royal blue lining. This is in collaboration with BeEyeConic, a blogger and stylist person. And so it has like the logo on this blue kind of satiny fabric on the inside, and it is like a fun color. The pull tabs and everything are a silver metallic leather that's really, really pretty. So the bag is just like this main compartment, and then it has the typical zipper setup in the back of most Wallace bags. There's like a long zipper and then 2 smaller interior pockets. And I'd say it's like pretty good size. I mean, it's definitely not like fanny pack size. This is a bag that's meant to be worn more like across your chest this way or across your back, like kind of like a backpack. My first impression of the actual bag is that it's really pretty. I don't feel like it's so flashy as maybe it looked in the photos. Let me get some of these straps out so we can talk about them. Okay, so the first strap that I undid here has this like oversized buckle on it. One part is metal, one part is plastic, and then it has the clips on the side. So this is one that would just, you know, clip here and here, and then it's adjustable. So this is the strap I would probably see myself wearing the most, in kind of this way. And then let's see what else we have. Okay, and then we have another strap. This one doesn't have the buckle, it's just adjustable. So that's kind of interesting. I guess you have the choice there. I really like this silver color that's on everything. And then this is the part I'm probably not cool enough for. I mean, you know, wear it with confidence, whatever. But this is a chain. Oh, it is pretty cool though. This is a leather chain, like the neon part is leather and then it's metallic woven chain. If you have a Crosby bag, it's definitely in that same kind of style. And I think you're just supposed to attach it here and there. See if I can back up a little bit. So it kind of like hangs down. I think it's just decorative. I mean, let me see. I'm like trying to figure out if you could theoretically wear it kind of like that. I think you could. Let me try now to just like quickly throw some stuff in this bag that I would normally carry and then give you some on the body shots, because I know it's kind of hard to tell what we're looking at here.